Hi, this is Nathan from Inventa-CMS, and today I'm going to be talking about how to add and change menu items and pages on your website. But before I do, I want to talk about the issues of design and menus. So on a website like Big Milk's Bible Stories, if you were to add another item to the top level menu of this website, it would push off the edge and probably end up right down here. And that would not look very good. And so if you have a website like this, please give us a call and we can adjust the menu structure of it, maybe make the font size smaller or put things closer together here. But we can certainly take care of you and help you add a new item. In a second case, a website like this Shutter Elite website, it'd be very easy for the owner to add a new menu item to this because it would appear at the bottom, or you can actually place it anywhere in the list you would like on a website like this. A third case would be something like Redwood Cafe, where we have got items across the top that are fairly full. But if you wanted to add a new item to the gallery here, it'd be very easy to add a new gallery because this is a drop-down menu and they can take obviously many items as well. So, say you want to play with this, you would actually go to the admin screen of your website, and you would go either to the menu or to the site menu on newer websites tab, and that would bring up a page that looks like this. Now, on older websites, earlier versions of Inventa-CMS, you're not going to see this plus sign. This plus sign would allow you to add a new top level item to your menu. And the reason this is not there in older systems is for the exact reason I've discussed just now. Many sites, it'd be dangerous for the user to add a menu item because it would push things, wrap them around and all that sort of stuff. So the idea was you guys needed to call us. But now we've decided to trust you guys. And so you can, if you have a newer system or you're looking at having us build a system, you'll be able to simply click the button here to add a new menu item. I don't want to do that because that would mess up his menu. However, what I do want to show you is how to add a sub-menu item. This is going to allow you to create a menu in a drop-down. Now that won't do anything on this page because it's not set up for drop-down menus, so it's very safe to do here. So I'm going to call this test menu item, and I'm going to go ahead and click add item. And when I do, it's going to bring this new item up here on the right-hand side and will allow us to change many settings about the page. Now the first thing here is the status of the page. Is it a hidden page, or is it a visible page? And what that's going to do, you'll notice here, is it's going to change that thumb from a thumbs up to a thumbs down. A thumbs down page is a page that does not appear on the menu. It's still accessible. The menu, the item, the page is still there, but it would not appear on the item. The second thing is the name, and this is the name that will appear in the actual menu. The third item on this page is what's called the H1 tag. And the H1 tag is going to be something that will appear on the website itself. And this is going to tell Google what this page is about. Let me show you some examples on these pages of H1 tags. This is an H1 tag, Bible Stories for Children. On the Shutter Elite site, blinds and shutters. On the Redwood Cafe Modesto restaurant. So these are all the H1 tags for the various pages. And important when considering what to put in your H1 tag is this. Google is going to consider your page to be about the words that are in your H1 tag, your title tag, and your page description. So at Inventa-CMS, we offer our clients a service of doing a keyword research to go out and find keywords, search keywords, Google or Bing search keywords, that you can capture for your website. And so you want, if we've given you a list of those words, you want to use those words in the H1 tag, in the title tag, and in the page description. We've talked about the H1 tag more specifically being somewhere on the page. The title tag is what's going to appear in the browser tab for this website. So if you use Chrome, at the top of the Chrome window, you're going to see various tabs for various websites you have open, and the words that appear there will be the title tag. If you do a search on Google or Bing, more than likely what you're going to see in the blurb that describes the page is going to be the page description. Now, one good trick to use is to actually put a call to action in this description, something like call us today, and put your phone number. If you are looking for customers, that's a great thing. They don't even have to go to your website to give you a call. And that is wonderful. What you want ultimately is the phone call. Next below here is the template. Every page I build is going to have multiple different templates. Home template obviously is the layout for the home page. Sub and full template here would be other custom templates for other pages on the website. In some cases, you see pages have no template. That doesn't mean they have no layout on their page. It probably means they have a custom layout that we've programmed separately for that page specifically. When you're done making changes, you can click Update Settings. Now, when I do this, you're going to see some errors because the system does not allow you to save a page without creating H1 title and description tags for that page. That's because it's sort of like committing search engine optimization hara-kiri not to have these. And so let's say we're going to call this test item, and then typically a title tag is going to be something like Big Malk Bible Stories, the website name dash test item, and the description is going to be a longer description about what this page is about. So something like find out more about Big Malk's test item by clicking here. Probably should be a little longer than that, probably about 60 or 70 characters is minimum kind of here. And I'll hit Update Settings, and then that will save. To delete a menu item, simply press this button, but be warned, there are some special pages, often contact us pages or video pages, things like that, that if you delete, it'll be hard to get back, and we can get them back for you because they have special attachments that we can't actually show here. Lastly, on some systems that we build, there can be images associated with a page. It might be a header image or something like that. To add an image to a page, if your site has this, simply click Choose File, upload the image, and it will appear on the page in the correct place. A couple other things to mention here. This bar here says drag me to reorder the list and allows you to simply take the menu items and place them where you want to, the order you want them to appear in. Put that back where it belongs. And that's about it here. So if you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at inventa-web.net or give us a call either at our Central Valley or Central Coast phone numbers. Thanks so much.